Welcome, PC users. Today, we're going to delve into the important topic of interviewing a PC technician. When your computer runs into issues, these are the professionals you'll turn to. But how do you ensure you're getting the best service? The answer lies in asking the right questions. Let's start with the basics. The first question you should ask is about their qualifications and experience. You might say, "Can you tell me about your training and experience in PC repair?" This will give you a good idea about their technical background and expertise. Next, you want to know about their specialization. Not all PC techs are created equal. Some specialize in software, others in hardware. Ask them, what is your area of expertise? This will help you determine if they're the right fit for your specific issue. Now let's talk about cost. It's always wise to ask about this upfront to avoid any surprise charges later. A good question would be, what is your pricing structure? Do you charge by the hour or by the job? This will give you a clear understanding of how much their services are going to cost you. Finally, ask about their service guarantee. You want to ensure that if the problem recurs or isn't fixed, you're not left in the lurch. Ask them, do you offer any guarantees or warranties on your work? This will give you peace of mind, knowing you're covered should anything go wrong. Remember, the key to a successful interview with a PC technician lies in asking the right questions. By asking about their qualifications, specialization, pricing, and guarantees, you can ensure you're getting the best possible service for your PC.